Hello everyone and welcome to this video series. Today we will go through the part 2 of this use case. If you haven't seen the first part of this video, so it will be good that you watch the first part before to carry on this video. All right. So as usual, you will see the use case, but it is the same that the last time. And we go to the demo, and then we will conclude. And let me also highlighted that today, the part 2, we will basically see the update information. So after that, the customer click on submit. All right. So it will be much clearer when we will go through the demo in Marketing Cloud. All right. So let's continue. So this is the use case. And the use case, as I said last time, is a retail company, and they would like to implement the custom preference center. So the last time, what we did is to just show up the current subscription that the customer have, and today we will go much further in the demo. So let's jump in Salesforce Marketing Cloud and let's start it. Well, here I am in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So the goal today, so the part 2 will be, as you can see, this is the data station. This is the master subscriber data extension with the following field. You can see that we have a subscriber key, the newsletter, promotion, email frequency, email address, email status, running, biking, meditation, right? And I have add here 2 records. So the first one, we have a subscriber key and the following subscription. We can see that biking equal phase, running equal phase as well. And we can see the frequency here. We have medium, promotion phase, newsletter phase. And 1111 is a fake subscriber key. So normally we will not be able to see the form with this record. All right. So this is just a test to see if we have a subscriber key who doesn't follow the current setup of a subscriber key, this record will not pass. We will not show up the form for this kind of record. All right. So I put some fake data as well. Well, so today we will be able to do just that. This is the email. As you can see, this is my test email. Okay. And this here you can see the same information that we have in the data extension. And the goal will be when I click on email preference, the subscriber will see the current data. So we can see newsletter, promotion, biking, meditation, all are empty. So all are fails. All right. If I go on the data station, you can see it is. You can see that these subscriptions are not true. Now, if the customer click and pick for example all of that. So and then submit. Here we see your preference has been updated. And if we go on the data extension, let me refresh it. You can see that we are now through everywhere. Okay, just running it is first, but we haven't choose running. All right, so you will be able to do that. You will be also able to unsubscribe to all the email communication from the email. All right, so how to do it? Let's see that together. Okay, now to do this, we have, as last time, we have to create several code suspect, and now we will create CPC 3 and CPC v1. So CPC 3 will be the pointer, and CPC 3 v1 will be the block who contains the code. Okay, and I will just display the ID. So you can see this code suspect has 715 has a ID. Okay, so we will use this ID in the pointer, as you can see here, by using content block by ID. Okay, and the code will be that. Okay, now in the code we just get the subscriber data. Okay, so when the customer click on the email, we will be able to read the subscriber key, the email, the job ID, the batch ID, the list ID, the email name. And then we will also be able to get the form value. All right, so I use the request parameter to get this information. Now, in the checkbox fix here, I said if the newsletter equal on, because IAMScript will read the information by using on, but not true. So we use on for the IAMScript, and then we said that if newsletter equal on, then set newsletter true, else set the newsletter false, and if. Okay, we will do the same for all the checkbox. All right, now here we say that if the subscriber key is not empty, so if it's true, we will be able to proceed. Now we are able to use the feature unsubscribe to all, and we will be also able to update the master subscription ID. Okay, and okay, and then here, as you see, this is the master subscription. Okay, subscriber data extension, and here I put the value pair, and one here will be if he find at least one. If we have one, that means the update is succeed. If no, it's not succeed. Now we put all the value pair here. And then here is about how to log the unsubscribe event. And here we use the SOAP API, and we use also the create object function, and we proceed with all the subscriber information. So the job ID, the list ID, the batch ID, okay? And invoke execute as well will be a function that we will use to be able to proceed the status of the subscriber. So if update subscriber equal 1 and error equals 0, then the message will be you have been unsubscribed, else it will be an error has occurred, please try again at a later time, and blah blah blah. And we will be able to set the message. All right. And the subscription can be changed as well, as you can see here. Okay. So if not, we will be able to, if we don't find the subscriber key, we will be able to redirect the contact on a Google page. All right. So that's all. That's what we need to do to set this this content block. And then when you're done with that, you have to create a cloud page. And our cloud page will be the process updated preference form. All right. And in this form, we just need to drag and drop of a CPC free code suspect here. And what I did is just I create as usual the landing page. You know how to create the landing page, I suppose. We just use the web studio, and you go on the, let me show you. Up. You have to go on web studio cloud page, okay? And from there you have to click in there. So you have to create a collection and then create a landing page there. So I did that, and then I was able to have that. And then you have to select your content block and add it. Okay. I will take it off because I just want to show you, and that is done. Okay, so that's good. And when you have done that, the landing page is good. In our previous video, we create the what was it, the name again? We create the update preference form, and this one is the processing form. This is typically when the subscriber click on submit, he will be able to see another page, and this other page is the processing landing form or the thank you page. Okay, so by doing that, you will be able to have your custom preference center set up. And I think we are good. I think we are good to do the test again. Oh no, one thing to note as well is that this preference, processing update preference page, we have to use the ID of this page in, listen to me now, because this is very important. We have to use the ID of this page in the code of the update preference form. And we know that the code of the update preference form is CPC V1, CPC 2 V1. Okay, so if I go here, so this code block is this code block. Okay, and if I go down, you can see that I add this ID here. This ID belongs to the ID of the processing page. Okay, 4144, and you can see that here we have 4144. Okay, so you do that, and we are good to now test the custom preference center. Let's test again. So this is my email. Up. So we are good now. Okay, just to be clear, you can see we have newsletter true, promotion true, medium, email frequency medium, email status active, running false, biking true, meditation true. So if I go there, you can see that running is false. And okay, so that means that the form, the first cloud page worked perfectly. So we are able to display the data which are in the data extension correctly. Now let's see if we are able to update the data. Okay, now I will change all my preference and I will say let's say as many email as you can send me. Okay, and click submit. So it's good. And for instance, if I choose the one who doesn't have the correct subscriber key, you have reached this page in error. All right. Now let's check the data extension. So we can see now email preference whole, newsletter first, promotion first, okay, running first, biking first, meditation first. So the information have been updated. Now let's test unsubscribe from all the communication. So this is this subscriber key, and we click here, and let's say that I want to unsubscribe from all, okay, and I click submit. We have been unsubscribed, okay, on the data extension. We can see unsubscribe, right? So that worked perfectly, and we are able now to give our customer the possibility to select the kind of email that he would like to receive, or he can unsubscribe to all the communication. All right, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, let me know with a like, and see you very soon for the next video. Bye for now.